Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a millet semi-business factory and more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a millet semi-business. When starting a millet semi-business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 150 kilograms of millet semi per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, it's wise to begin with a capacity of 180 kilograms per day for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 450 kilograms per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 360 kilograms per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully utilizing the 360 kilograms per day capacity, and then consider upgrading to 450 kilograms per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a millet semi-medium-sized business with a factory capacity of 180 kgs per day, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing, you will need a flour mill. The millets used to make semia are turned into ravwa, costing around 50,000 rupees. Then you will need mixing machine. A machine used to mix millet ravwa flour and water into a stiff dough. It ensures even mixing and proper hydration of the ravwa. These capacity 50 kgs per hour, which will cost about 70,000 rupees. And also you need millet semia extruder machine. A device that forces dough through small holes to form long, thin strands of semia. The size of the pod determines the thickness of the semia. It also cuts into the desired sizes. This capacity 50 to 60 kgs per hour, which will cost around 2,50,000 rupees. Then you need drying rack, conveyor. Used for reducing moisture content in semia. Can involve sun drying or mechanical dryers. The capacity matches the extruder output. It will cost around 3,10,000 rupees. Then you will need packaging machine. This machine automatically packs from half kilogram to 5 kgs, which should cost around 2,50,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.